So let's say that we want to add a page to our website. If we start at our home page, we go to this first icon here, Menus and Pages. And this is a list of all of the different pages we have on our website. And to get into the settings on what we want to do with that web page. So I'd like to add a page. So I'm going to hit this Add Page button. And it's popped up here with a highlighted of New Page. And we are going to just call this Test. But now our new web page was moved right underneath our home menu. And I don't really want it there. So if I click on it, and you see that it's gone a little crooked there, I can move the web page to go to the very end. And it's highlighted in yellow, and it's now moved over here. Now, something to understand about the menu button here is based on how many letters are used inside these bubbles for the description of what the web page is, that determines how many of these pages are listed here. Now, I've shortened a lot of these words in the bubbles here for our web page so that I can add more pages here to the menu area. So I've got my test page here, and I'm going to add another page. So I'm going to go back to our home, click on the menus pages, add page, and I'm going to call this page my test account. I'm purposely making this a larger word so we can see. Moving this down. And they're still there. I'm going to add one more. I'm going to call this second test account. And he's already at the bottom there. And now we can see that we have our test, and now we've got this icon here that says More. So if we go into our preview, this is what the public is going to see. So if they want to get into these other web pages by hovering over this More, this second box pops up. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, but I personally am not a big fan of this feature, and I think it would be better to have all of the web pages just listed here at the top. So if I go back to Editor, and I don't need all these test accounts that I added in there, so let's go in and delete them. So by going into our menu pages, we're going to open up the settings on here and just hit delete. A confirmation page that yes, I want to delete them. And a few more times. Now, since I've made all these changes, again, it automatically saves for you, but I'm just going to hit save just to be on the safe side there. And a warning box pops up that says, yes, we've made your save changes, and we're done.